camera security systems we're used to seeing usually require wiring in tight spots and extensive setups. ARLO have broken the mold with their easy to install complete home security solution. While mounting a security camera to a wall is generally pretty easy, wiring them up can be a whole other story. ARLO security cameras are completely wire-free and work by connecting to your home Wi-Fi network and delivering a live video feed to your phone, rather than a bulky box and monitor system. The magnetic mounts included with the ARLO Pro 4 and Ultra 2 camera systems ensure a non-destructive installation with a minimal footprint, which is ideal for rental properties as they can be packed up, moved and rearranged whenever you see fit. Rather than relying on conventional wall power, cameras from the ARLO range have a built-in rechargeable battery that can last up to 6 months depending on activity and video resolution, allowing you to just set and forget until the next charge. For continuous power, there's the optional solar panel charger that keeps your battery charged with direct sunlight. Its weather-resistant design, 2.4 meter magnetic power cable, and adjustable mount makes installation super easy. All security cameras in the ARLO range will deliver a live feed to your phone for you to view at any time. For local storage, both the ARLO Pro 4 and ARLO Ultra 2 security cameras come with the Smart Hub, which can save all your footage onto a USB thumb drive or a micro SD card depending on the model purchased. Your stored footage can then be viewed via your phone when you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Smart Hub. With the optional ARLO Smart subscription, you can store up to 30 days of rolling footage for you to access when you're not at home, and gives you a large range of extra smart features to help keep you secure. To top it all off, most of the ARLO security camera range is completely UV and weather resistant and will work in wet, icy cold temperatures or blazing dry heat. Use the included screw mounts to install the camera to almost any surface, regardless of how exposed to the elements it may be. For more help with ARLO security cameras or to see the full range, pop by your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.